Shamrocks, this is Mrs. Kolchuk. I want to walk you through how you can use the library resources for your broadcast assignment. So for starters, how do you get to the library resources? Right now we are looking at the main Catholic Central homepage. What you're going to do is you're going to click on this academic tab. You're going to go up to Learning Resources. And then once that page loads, you'll scroll down about halfway and you'll click here where it says View Library Resources. So this will take you right to the library's web page. My suggestion to you is just to go ahead and bookmark this web page so that way you can get back to it very quickly without having to go through all of those clicks. So everything that I'm going to talk to you about today, I've actually put together on a web page for you. You can click here where it says Assignment Resources, and then this is the U.S. History News Broadcast assignment, so we'll go ahead and click there. And then I've compiled the resources that I think will be most helpful for this assignment on this web page right here. So the first thing you guys need to figure out is which events you will want to focus on for the purpose of this assignment, and then you can do a little bit more research on those events. Some good places to start for that information will be these ebooks that I feature here. So you can go ahead and click on this text here, and that's going to take you into this American Decades ebook. And then you can select the volume that goes with your decade. Unfortunately, we only have the 1990 through 1999 and then the 2000 through 2009 volumes. Those are the only ones that have been published for those decades yet, but you can at least get started. So they break down the different events by category, so you guys can look at any of these categories and pick some important events from there. These resources are all tied in with Google. So at the top of the screen here where it says sign in with Google, if you guys sign in with your CC email address, you'll be able to save these resources right to your Google Drive and then easily share them with other members of your group that are working on this assignment. So as you guys can see, you can go through these and pick which events you're interested in. In addition to this American Decades resource, I do link to some other ones. There's this UXL series, and then this series here, which comes to us from another vendor, so it's going to look a little bit different, but it does cover all 3 decades you need for the assignment. So if I click on one of these, this is what the interface looks like here. You can then go ahead and pick any of these topics. It will take you into that section of the book, and then you do have the option to be able to share this with other members in your group right here. You can go ahead and save that to your Google Drive. So once you've gone ahead and you've chosen the events that you want to focus on, you can do kind of a deeper dive by going into our Power Search here, which will search a bunch of our databases simultaneously. So if you are doing kind of the current decade and you are going to talk about COVID-19, you can go ahead and type your topic in there, and it's going to search a bunch of databases as well as our ebook collection simultaneously. If you guys are doing any of this research from home, you will need to enter a password, and the password to access these resources is just going to be Shamrock, and that's true to those Salem Press titles as well. So once you're in here, you can see you can access magazine articles, journal articles, articles from books, newspapers. There are also image, video, and sometimes audio clips that you have access to. You can narrow your search down by using this subject category here. If there's a certain aspect of COVID maybe you want to talk about, you can click on that here. If you want to just stick with COVID-19 in general, you can select that. It will narrow it down somewhat, but there will still be a lot of resources for you guys to go through. I like looking at the books. I think it's really it's easy to search through different chapters of books and kind of have a nice concise article right here. So if any of these look like something you want to use, you can just go ahead and click on that. You'll have the option to send that to your Google Drive right here. And Mr. Mack wants you to cite your sources. So you can cite all of your sources very easily by clicking this Cite button. It's automatically formatted to MLA, which is what we use here. So you can send this citation, just the citation, to your Google Drive. All of the image, video, and audio clips are also able to be cited in the same manner. So you can click on any of these and get a citation that way as well. So that's my little tutorial. Those I think are the best places for you guys to start. If you have any questions though, my email address is right here on that Learning Resources page, as well as on all of the pages of the library website. You guys can send me an email and I'm happy to help you that way if it's not convenient for you guys to stop in and talk to me in person. So good luck with your assignment, guys.